tuning in to American Titan Outdoorsman channel on YouTube. We really appreciate y'all for joining us. Today, we're on our way out. We're on our way out to St Bernard, Louisiana. We're going fishing with Captain Ed of St Bernard Fishing Charter. So stay tuned. We're driving all the way from Chicago, y'all. So take a look. We're all packed up. Y'all think we got enough stuff? We only staying for the weekend. I don't know why we always take more than what we need. But we should be good to go. We got everything. We're finna get ready to pull out. And we'll see y'all there soon. Everybody, we just about loaded up. Me and Shay getting in. I'm finna get in. Again, we head out there to Louisiana. All right, say hey, Shay. Okay, so this is our first stop in Marion, Illinois, me and Shay. So we're still working our way towards Louisiana. So we're gonna go stop and eat, and we're gonna jump back on the road. So we should be arriving in Louisiana about 9 o'clock tonight. So we're gonna get us something to eat. Those chicken biscuits. See, I already got something to eat. I got some ribs left over from yesterday from Wilmer's Barbecue in Calumet City, Illinois. So we're gonna try here. All right, y'all, we'll be right back. Get a little bit further down. All right, just made it to Missouri. We're still about 8 hours, well, about 9 hours away, or 8 hours, somewhere up in there. We're making pretty good timing. Headed up to Louisiana, and we're gonna see if we can catch us some fish. All right, y'all, stay with us. We're on our way. Okay, so we finally made it to our Airbnb. We made it in about 10 p.m. last night. So we up this morning, got dressed, and right across the street here, we're going to fish for a little while before we make our way to go get something to eat and go hit up a few more other spots. Shay right over there, she's fishing on that side, and I'm right over here fishing on this side. So far we haven't had no bites. We're in Shell Beach, Louisiana, out here, and we're having a nice time so far. Temps appear to be in, I want to say mid-70s. The water right now appears to be somewhat calm. Using shrimp, also got some shad. So hopefully we get some. Also got crab as well. We're having a nice time thus far. So we're gonna come right back. Hopefully we'll have some fish to show you. And we're gonna get this day started, hopefully with a bang. Oh, got a bite, Shay. Big fish. Oh, he got off. Okay, I'm gonna use this for some bait. What you got there, Shay?
Well, you catfish love me today. Hey, on me. 3.
All right, Shay just caught a garfish. That's what I'm talking about. Got lucky. YouTubers, Shay got lucky. What you got to say for yourself, Shay?
I'm beating you out.
All right, y'all. We'll be right back. We're going to see if she catch something else. Okay, everybody. So it's Sunday morning, the 30th of March. So we're getting ready to go out with Captain Ed of St Bernard Fishing Charters. Me and Shay. Say what up, Shay. She thinks she's going to beat me. Thinks she's going to beat me today, but she's not. So we're going to get out here and we're going to try to see what we can do. So we all booted and suited, ready to get out. We got Captain Ed. Say hey, Captain Ed. Hey. St Bernard Fishing Charters. If you guys ever in the area, make sure you come on and see Mr. Captain Ed, and he'll take care of you at St Bernard Fishing Charters.
That's right.
And we got his deckhand Kim over here. She's gonna be our video. She's gonna do the videos and everything. So we're gonna have a wonderful time and put some fish on the boat. And like I said before, she's not going to beat me.
You're right.
So, okay, we'll be right back, y'all, as we're pulling off.
Y'all had them cockos.
Oh, this one was just like that.
Yeah, she came down. Oh, that's loud.
Oh, yeah.
Follow my friend out today.
Where you going, man?
We're going deep.
Going in the water somewhere?
Yeah,
Shay?
catch all our fish in the
Now I want to ask you a question. Who's gonna catch the most fish between me and you today?
Of course, that's right. That
You. That's the wrong answer.
It's always like that, like yesterday.
Oh yeah. Okay, y'all finna be our witness. I'm gonna go ahead on and beat Shay today. You ain't gonna have a chance, Shay. Just let me know
We're
that.
running up to the rocks. We got a couple trout. Yeah.
See that smile she got on her face? She gonna be crying when we come back in. Trust me on
What's
that.
the size out there?
Huh?
What's the size of the trout?
Yours is wiped off your
Yeah,
face.
I mean, here.
13 above, but
Okay, y'all. So we'll be right back. We on our way out. We're gonna have a nice time today, and we're gonna see how many fish we can catch. But just know this much: I'm gonna catch more than her.
What's that? Because I'm.
Okay, we're on our way out. St. Bernard Fishing Charters with Captain Ed. Got Shay. Got the captain them in the back. We're gonna go see what we can pull in. So stay tuned. Get it, say. Oh, red.
Hi. What a workout.
UFO. Unidentified fish object.
Is it on?
Oh, it's a nice redfish.
Oh, it is.
Bam! There you go. There you go. Take the fingers out. There you go.
I'm trying to take a video.
Take the video. I got the thing.
She hasn't gotten a video yet.
Now we getting them.
That's a good one.
That's a nice one.
Speckled trout. Oh, this is more than a
Sure is.
red. Oh, redfish killer. So, oh, beautiful.
Okay, everybody, so we made it back. Had a great day today. Had a great day. Great day of fishing today. Captain Ed.
To mention the wind was blowing 15, 20 knots.
Yeah, and Captain Ed still made it happen for us. So y'all might want to get yourselves on out here. And it's pretty hard because he's pretty much booked up, but if you're lucky, you might be able to find a spot. It never hurts to call and just give it a try. He's one of the
dates in June.
Yeah, plenty. Y'all heard him now. He got plenty of dates available in June. Plenty of dates. So jump on it. Give him a call. And I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret too. You might want to see if Kim can come out too, because she's our fish finder.
First mate does okay. That's right.
Yeah. She got a promotion in just a couple hours. Her and Shay got some promotions today. All right. So. And then
So this is your sheep head fillet right here.
that's how you get the pin bones out of a sheep head, everybody.
So the first like 2.5 fingers of this line, what you want to do is cut it out. So get on one side of it, cut it, and then on the other side. And cut it, and take that little flap out. Got him. You can always proof check yourself by rubbing your finger right there. That's ready to cook. Another way is, I'll show you. So on this other half, I'm going to show you how I do most of my sheep cuts because they're really great fried. And when I fry fish, I don't like frying big old pieces. I actually cut them in little chunks. So they hold the batter better. So here's our fillet again. See how you got that bloodline right there?
Yeah.
Well, whenever you could cut bloodline out, that's good. So I'll just go straight down it on one side and then straight down it on the other side. I got rid of the bloodline and then I'll cut it like, that's ready for the frying.
Oh, okay.
Everybody, so how you doing out there? As you can see, we're going to bring this day to a close. We get actually time today. We went out with Captain Ed at St Bernard Fishing Charters out here in St Bernard, Louisiana. So if you're ever in the New Orleans area or St Bernard area, how about this? Any place in Louisiana, come on down. We drove 14 hours from Chicago to come and fish with him. And this is really, he put us on top of the fish. So this is the place that you want to come, and he's the man that you want to fish with. So we had a remarkable time on this wonderful journey. We look forward to getting out here again, fishing with him very, very soon. And it was just a wonderful day. So me and my wife, we're coming back again, and we appreciate it. Is there anything you want to say to us, Captain Ed? You too?
Well, call me up, book a trip, and you won't regret it.
And what's your number?
My number is 504-913-0394, and you could go to fishstbernard.com to see all the information on our website.
I heard it from the man himself. So give him a call and get your trip booked. He still got some openings for June, but they'll probably fill up quick because he's one of the best captains around. Actually, he is the best captain around. So,
Well, the other captains that fish for me are pretty good too.
but let me tell you something. He just don't want to say it. That he's the best captain around. So give him a call and we'll be okay. So thank you everybody so much. We'll see you next time.
I remember I told you about the hog we got the other day.
Hi, everybody. We finally made it back to Chicago. We had an awesome time. We'd like to thank everybody for watching. We'd like for you to hit the like button and subscribe. And I know you see me beat my husband out. See you soon.